What is your plan? How do you reassure voters?
Well, I'll certainly be arrested. And I have made arrangements.
Is the PTI bigger than you, and do you genuinely think it can win without you?
No matter how much victimization we face and how much of our top leadership they sort of put in jail or make them renounce being part of the party, but the vote bank is there. And therefore, whenever there are elections, whether I'm in jail or not, the party will sweep the elections.
In the 1970s, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto was very popular, like you, and was ultimately hanged. Do you worry about your ultimate fate?
I don't worry. I don't worry about whether I live or how long will I live. But all I know is that for 27 years, I have been, fighting this cause for a democratic Pakistan, which can only come through rule of law.